Hello and welcome back to my channel. What do you think? If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you must be new to my channel. Hi. Today I draw inspiration or kind of recreate a look that I found on Instagram. One of my favourite artists, Milk1422, has created this face chart. It's super peachy, it's minty and just kind of like cute but like punk rocky, and I just love it. So if you would like to know how to get a peachy look with a pop of colour, just carry on watching. As always, I already did my brows because there's nothing new. I used eyelid pomade in blonde to do them. I also primed my lids, and I thought I might do my eyes first, but I actually don't plan for there to be a lot of fallout, so let's do my foundation. You might be bored by now, but I'm going to put on Catrice 24-hour made to stay makeup because I've been really, I've been back onto it. It's long lasting. It looks really nice. I take about a pump and a half. I do a sheer layer first and then I bounce my sponge a little bit further for more coverage in certain areas on my face. I bounce it on my skin. I sometimes swipe the first layer. I don't need that much coverage like on my nose and my mouth area. So as you can see, I did like a medium coverage layer all over my face, and now I have the tiniest bit of the foundation left. I take all of it into my sponge, but what I'm going to do is press in and kind of hold in the places where I want more coverage. Okay, I'm going to move on to the eyes and then conceal my eyes. I'm worried there might be like a smidge of fallout, and we don't want that. For majority, if not all of my eyeshadow work, I will be using the Be Perfect Carnival palette. I love this palette, and Foolish, the peachy shade, the like peachy orangey shade, is just amazing. So I'm taking a Primark shadow brush. It's like a fluffy angled brush. I'm going to take my brush in my crease. As you can hopefully see, this is like almost neon peach, and I really want to blend this in, and because I think it like translates as slightly too pink, so I'm going to take Keen, the yellow, just a little bit. Yes, exactly what I needed, and that yellow just lifted this colour, you know, made it slightly more orangey. The eyes are so simple. I'm actually going to do both eyes at the same time. I didn't change my brush either. This looks so cool, like even like this. So I took some of this yellow. It almost looks, I forgot I've got foundation on my face and I started scratching it. This almost looks neon and I love it. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a 203 from Bold Metals Real Techniques. And I'm going to take Foolish again, really push it into the crease. Like just in the crease to deepen the shade. Can you see that? It's just slightly more concentrated. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to take my favourite shade from this palette, Moony. Like, how pretty is this? To conceal my under eye, I'm taking Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I will set it with powder, but before I do that, I'm taking my jelly highlighter from Revolution. I forgot how much I like this. It gives you like a wet look without emphasizing texture, so it's brilliant for people like myself where I do have a lot of texture on my skin. RCMA No Colour Powder. I've set my creases on this eye. Oh, I hate when I do that. I'm going to take a little bit in between my brows and on my forehead. The foundation is pretty matte, but in some areas I do have more shine. For the pop of colour in the waterline, I'm taking Inglot Gel Liner in 70, which is like a royal blue. The facechart has a mint, and I'm disappointed that I do not have a mint gel liner in my collection. But I will try to add mint from the Carnival palette on top of this liner. Let's see if we can do it. I'm taking another angled brush and mint from the Carnival palette, the shade Mint, and I'm going to set my liner with this shade. It kind of worked. I need to blink a couple of times because I do have an actual eyeshadow in my waterline. Really don't want to cry, but I'm going to do the same on this eye. So like the blue would work, but I want the mint. I'm making the most bizarre faces. I love it. I love it already. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take Basic on a very small brush. Smoke out that lower lash line. Like so. And because I'm going to add my own spin on it, and because I can't get enough of Moony, I'm going to take my flat brush, re-intensify those highlights. I'm going to put some of Moony in the middle. Actually, because I love Foolish so much, I'm just going to put it all over my lid. The original facechart only has the peachiness in the crease. I'm going to put it all over. This is more like a salmon colour. Let's take more of Yellow Keen just to brush over all of this. Mascara and lashes. Actually, now I look at it, I'm going to take a little bit of Rowdy, the darker brown, because I need it on my lower lash line, closer to the waterline. Smoke it out a little bit more. My lashes have not dried yet, so I'm going to move on to the face. Because I love this peachy salmon-y colour, I'm actually going to take Bold Metals 300, which is a blush brush, and dip it into Foolish. And I want it on my cheeks. Why does it look a lot more pink on me? It does look a lot more pink. What if I add a little bit of that yellow? Looks a bit better. I like it. That's exactly what I wanted. However, I do need to bronze up my face in general. Wet n Wild Colour Icon Bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. This is more of like a summery. Can you tell I'm craving summer? I need to contour my nose, but my lashes are almost ready to be put on. Oh no, that sounded like such a fake reaction. Ow. I just pinched my eye. Ow. I'm using Honey Cosmetic lashes in Princess Pie. Why does this lash look so different to this one? When you have a client halfway through filming. So if I look any different, it's because A, my camera forgot to record me putting freckles on, and B, it's been about an hour and a half since I've done all of this. But let's carry this on. The way I did my freckles, if you are new to my channel, I used a dotting tool. It's So like the tiniest thing to put dots on your nails thing, tool, yes, we know what a dotting tool is. And I used Daddy and Posh Spice liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star to draw in my freckles. Because I'm crazy, and even though it's been a couple of hours and I'm already slightly shiny, I'm going to add some highlight. You can never have too much highlight. Actually, we learned that you can. I'm going to add even more peachiness, coralliness, that's not even a word, corally look to my lips with Super Cindy from Charlotte Tilbury. And they smell so good. I'm going to dust my face with a little bit of RCMA. I'm shiny. I've just reapplied a little bit more blush by mixing Foolish and Keen. And if you don't think this looks cute AF, then what are you doing? Hooray, we got there in the end. This peachy, minty look. I love that mint in the waterline. I think it looks fantastic. I think it looks mint. Ha ha ha. No. I think every look that has blushy cheeks and has faux freckles on just makes me feel like an elf and very cute, you know. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below what you think of this look. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you do recreate this look, make sure to tag milk1422. And most importantly, make sure to let me know by tagging me. I would love to see it, and I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!